1973 Constitution of Pakistan. The National Assembly of Pakistan passed the Constitution on the 10th of April 1973. The President of the Assembly authenticated it on the 12th of April 1973 and the Assembly published the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. A bill to provide a constitution was introduced by the committee in the Assembly on February 2, 1973. The Assembly passed the bill on the 10th of April 1973 and at last the Constitution came into force on the 14th of August 1973. Written Constitution, like the Constitution of the United States of America but unlike the Constitution of the United Kingdom, the Constitution of 1973 is a written document. There are 280 articles and 7 schedules of the Constitution. Federal Constitution. The Constitution of 1973 is federal constitution. It establishes a central government and the governments of the federating units, namely, the province of Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Baluchistan. Parliamentary form of government, like the Constitution of 1956. But unlike the Constitution of 1962, the Constitution of 1973 provides Pakistan with a parliamentary form of government. In a parliamentary form of government, maximum powers are vested in the elected parliament, and the Prime Minister, being head of government, has many more powers than the head of state president. Bicameral legislature. The Constitution of 1973 provides for the establishment of a bicameral legislature in Pakistan. Pakistani parliament consists of 2 houses, namely, National Assembly, the lower house, and the Senate, the upper house. Rigid constitution. The Constitution of 1973 is a rigid constitution in the sense that it requires a 2/3 majority of the parliament, National Assembly and Senate for amendment in it. Fundamental rights. The 1973 Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to the citizens of Pakistan. Some of the fundamental rights in the Constitution: equality of all citizens before the law, security of persons and of their properties and other belongings, right to acquire, hold or dispose of the property in any part of Pakistan, freedom of speech, freedom of expression. National language. The Constitution of 1973 provides for Urdu as the national language of Pakistan. Regional languages have also been provided full protection by the Constitution. Islamic provisions of 1973 Constitution. The following are the Islamic provisions of 1973 Constitution. The Constitution of 1973 also names the country the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. Sovereignty belongs to Allah Almighty. Only Muslims could become the President and Prime Minister of Pakistan. Islamic way of life. Islamization of laws. Direct election system. The direct election system is another salient feature of 1973 Constitution of Pakistan. The members of the National Assembly and Provincial Assembly are selected through direct election. Independence of judiciary. The Constitution stresses upon the establishment of an independent judiciary. Full job security has been provided. The judges are appointed by the President. Rule of law. The 1973 Constitution establishes rule of law in Pakistan. According to rule of law, no person can be deprived of his fundamental rights. All the citizens of Pakistan are equal before law.